name is Sarah Bell, and I am doing a presentation on divergent plate boundaries. The Earth is divided by plates. Between these plates are three types of boundaries: divergent, convergent, and transform. Today we will be discussing divergent plate boundaries. What are they? Divergent plate boundaries, otherwise known as spreading boundaries, happen where new oceanic crust is created from magma derived from partial melting of the mantle caused by decompression as hot mantle rock from depth is moved towards the surface. This is a diagram of a divergent plate boundary. So down here is the hot mantle rock, and this arrow represents the upward movement of that mantle rock, leading into the zone of partial melting. These arrows represent the movement of the divergent plate boundaries, and they are moving away from each other. And that's a really easy way to distinguish between convergent and divergent. Divergent is they're moving away from each other, and convergent, they're moving towards each other. There are two types. When two tectonic plates move away from each other, two types of divergent boundaries can occur. One, continental rift zones, and two, mid-ocean ridges. Continental rift zones. If the plate is capped with thick continental crust, the resulting continental rift zone rises high above sea level. An example of a continental rift zone would be the East African Rift. Mid-ocean ridges. A mid-ocean ridge is a sea floor system formed by plate tectonics. It is a continuous chain of volcanoes on the ocean floor where lava erupts and the crust of the earth is created. Nearly every day, somewhere on the crest of the mid-ocean ridge, there is likely to be an eruption of lava or an intrusion of magma that builds the ocean crust. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something. And just remember, divergent plate boundaries are the ones that move away from each other.